Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Windows 11 is showing your location is currently in use problem. So you just need to follow me. So simply you just need to press Windows and I button together to open settings, or else you can right click on your Windows 11 start menu icon and click on settings. After open settings window, click on privacy and security from your left side over here. And on your right side, scroll down a little bit and you will get app permission. Under app permission you will get a location option, so click on that. Now here you can disable one by one for your apps location permission, or else you can, if you want to turn it off for all your apps, then simply click on over here. Okay, after that close this window, and if you are using any browser like Chrome, then simply open Chrome browser and click on this right side corner 3-dot button over here and go to settings. After open settings, you just need to click on privacy and security from your left side over here. On your right side, click on site settings. Now click on location under permissions, and here you will get an option called don't allow sites to see your location. After that, restart your browser and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.